So, the triangle of hormonal health. The reason why all of this is the reason why we are so keen on dealing with the root cause is because of this clinic model that we have put together called the triangle of hormonal health. And basically, the purpose of the purpose of the triangle is to explain a interaction between three sets of hormones. And these three sets of hormones are our sex hormones, which we're talking about today, our stress hormones, and our blood sugar hormones. Now, I want you to imagine a stool, and we need all the legs of our stool to be nice and even. As soon as we've got a leg that's out of balance, our stool's going to be wobbly. And if we've got a couple that are out of balance, our stool's going to fall over. Now, interestingly, we're talking about issues with sex hormones today because we're talking about things like, PCOS and those things. But actually, the first victims that we see when we've got some wobbly legs are the immune system and or the digestive system, one or both. They tend to be where things manifest first. So it's quite well established now that things like irritable bowel syndrome is considered, is quite a precursor to people getting autoimmune diseases. Now, it's also interesting that most people who suffer from autoimmune disease are female. So there is this huge connection between estrogen, progesterone, and like Laura was saying, the fact that progesterone is calming for things like autoimmune. So what we're looking to do, if someone has got these issues like PCOS, endometriosis, we're going, okay, right, well, rather than suppress what's going on over here, how can we fix up what's going on over here? How can we navigate balancing those stress hormones more? How can we deal with those blood sugars with diet, with supplementation, by reducing stress, because cortisol is a really big one for blood sugar destabilization. And that way, we actually are dealing with the root cause. We don't have to suppress, and we're not creating victims in the immune system and digestive system, because the reports, what women report when they come off of the pill is, my digestion's better. Obviously, weight is a huge issue on the pill, and I just don't feel foggy anymore. So what we're doing to our body by taking it is quite astonishing. I keep saying the pill, but I mean contraceptives hormonal contraceptives as a general